Marcelo Felipe. Continental din po yan, Victoria. Third place, Steve Borja. Steve Borja from Standard. Third place. Second place, Vervin Corpus. Siya po yung overall leader from Excellent. And the champion is Ronald Oranza from Standard. Siguro ang lamang na lang 5 seconds. 193, Reborn. Sino man yung katim nila, kung wala, pwede na represent. Rider number 93, Batang Waray. Manuel Lopez. Third place, 112, EJ Asur from Standard. Second place, 103, Daniel Corpus from Jenly. And Shaswin 113, Andre Domingo. Yan po yung top 5 natin kanina kahapon sa amateur.